Hey friends, if you wish to turn on the high contrast mode on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. And the contrast mode is different from the contrast themes. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down and search for contrast. Okay, now it has been replaced with contrast theme, so you can reach this option for the contrast themes page, and then there are many contrast themes like the desert one, the aquatic one, and so on. And once you select a theme, just click on apply to apply that theme, and it will take you to the contrast mode. The highest contrast mode is with the night sky option, so you can try this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.